So this is what we use. Is a pancake mix. From the instruction, it says that you add 2 cups of this and 1 cup of cold water, 1 egg, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So here you have to make sure you're using the measuring cup. So this is the measuring cup. This is 1 cup. So what I did was if I take 1 cup of this, I take 1 cup of the flour, and then 1 cup of the milk, and then 1 egg. But if I do 2, I do 2 cups of this, 2 cups of milk, and 2 eggs. So that's how I do. So when it's ready for serving, you just add maple syrup. So that's what I did with this. You need to add maple syrup, or you can do butter, but mostly me, I prefer mine with butter, but my team prefer both butter and maple syrup. So let me see what happens.